Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of TJ's Happy Place. Today we're taking a trip to Noren's Nursery. It's a really neat nursery I've been to once before. If you follow my other channel, you've seen that I've been here before, but it's been over a year since I've been here. Since I redid the balcony, I decided to take a trip to Noren's and see if I could find some interesting plants or interesting accessories. So let's go in and see what we can find. He has a lot of neat planters, as you can see here. I regret not getting one. These are really unique, as you can see. Next time I go, I'm gonna get one. And then these air plants. And excuse my camera, by the way. I got a new camera, as some of you know if you've been watching the videos. The camera was doing what it wanted to do. This was my first time actually using the camera like this. So excuse any quick turns, fast movement. It wasn't done intentionally. So he has a lot of vintage pieces that are really neat. A lot of cactus plants, a lot of succulents. I guess those are easy to grow here in Southern California. It gets so hot and dry. What's here? Oh, it is so peaceful in here. There were a couple of people just hanging out in the store. Not really hanging out, you know, just walking around in there for a long time because it's just such a peaceful place. So I'm wondering, are these indoor plants here? Not sure. Seems like they might be indoor plants. I really love this plant here. I love the deep green leaves, and I like that the leaves aren't flimsy. They're kind of sturdy. I regret not picking this one up. I love that. I'm gonna go back and get this. I'm gonna go back and get that plant there. I love it. I kind of like this one. My mom didn't like that one. I don't know why. I kind of like this one. I might go back and get that. I don't like how the leaves burn on the ends, but... Look at these succulents. They are pretty. I like this one here. I haven't seen anything like this one before. Okay, so here is that Medusa succulent. So here's the small one. The guy that works at the nursery told us it took him 15 years to grow a small one into that large succulent that you see at the entryway. These are so pretty. I love this one here. This one here I really like. I wish I had bought that. I wish I had got that one there, or at least one of those. They're really unique. They're so unique. Now look at this plant here. It's so interesting. I guess people are so fascinated with that plant that they try to touch it, and the owners had to put a note on there not to touch it. It's really fragile. So we got our plants and now we're on our way. I just wanted to check out this little house here. I've seen this in the past and I wasn't sure exactly what it was, but it was so interesting. Right, so we got our plants. Just wanted to show you what I picked up from Noren's Nursery. Really quick. It's really hot out here. So I got this plant here. Not sure what it is, but I'm gonna keep it in the house until the weather changes. It's just too hot out here. As you can see, the planter is down because the sun and the heat burned most of the plant. So that's gonna be on hold for a minute. You also saw me looking at succulents. I picked that one up. That shouldn't be too hard to keep alive. And then I got the string of pearls. They say this one is hard to grow. We'll see. And then I got these. These are similar to some I had in the hanging door planter. The ones like this are like the only ones that survived the extreme heat. So we're gonna work with these. We might end up replacing all of the plants with these. Yeah, so basically I've had to move all of my plants out of the direct sunlight. The sunlight coming this way is extreme. So I've been using this thing to try to protect the plants from burning. So, you know, it was fun doing the balcony, but we couldn't keep the plants where we wanted to keep them because it's just too hot and it's just too sunny right now. So you might see everything here. It's here because it needs to be protected. All right, you guys, so thank you for watching. Welcome to the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I will see